Welcome to the Pixie Life. My name is Shayna, and over here, I help women confidently style, maintain, and love their pixie cuts. So in today's video, I'll be guiding you on how to mold, set, and style your pixie cut at home, step by step. If you're a little nervous, that's okay, I got you, I promise. First things first are the products. You will need a wrap lotion, a spray bottle with water, a rat tail comb, wrap strips, a brush, a bonnet or hooded dryer, an edge brush, and some hair oil. First, I start off by drenching my hair with water all over my head because hydrating the hair helps to evenly distribute the foam. Next, you're going to want to pump a generous amount of foam and make sure that you get your entire head covered in it. The reason you'll need a lot of pumps is because it makes styling much easier by ensuring your comb glides through your hair effortlessly. When I first started out, I had a hard time, and I had watched some YouTube tutorials, and the girls that have pixies like me, they was like, you're not using enough foam, you need more pumps. So sure enough, when I started pumping more, my hair started to flow and style the way that I wanted it to. So don't be stingy with the pumps. It's okay, use as many as it takes to get your hair to do what it needs to do. Now gently comb the hair from the crown forward and give yourself a side part on whichever side that you like, and swoop your hair to the side. Pull a little bit of hair out from your forehead and start to swoop your hair in an S-like motion. I know it looks so simple, but you may not get the S to look exactly how you want it to at the moment, so you may have to do this a few times. I actually did it 3 times. And now take your edge brush and style your sideburns and your baby hairs if you prefer. Now it's time to start wrapping your hair. Wrap and tie the strips around and on top of your head. You're going to realistically need like 5 to 7 of them, and that's completely normal. The strips mold and compress the hair as it dries, so this step is extremely important, y'all. I know after your hair is molded, it's tempting to just go ahead and skip this part since it looks secure and just jump up under the hair dryer, but trust me, don't do that. It's not gonna give you the results that you want. The strips play a major role in this process, so make sure that you use them. After you're all wrapped up, you need to sit under the dryer for 25 to 30 minutes. And I forgot to mention this part earlier, but it's completely okay if all that you have right now is a handheld dryer. Your drying time will just be a little bit longer. I myself actually just recently got this bonnet dryer. Beforehand, I was just doing it by hand and it made my arm hurt and it took so much time. I was like, I cannot be doing this. So the handheld dryer will work, but when you get the chance, go ahead and invest in you a dryer that you can sit up under or a bonnet dryer because it's gonna make this process a whole lot easier. Now this part right here is my favorite part, y'all. Cutting off the strips, it just does something for me. I already know what the hairstyle looks like, of course, but it's something about cutting them off and revealing that finished look that just does something for me every single time. Take your brush and brush it down in the back. After you dry your hair, sometimes the back can look a little funky and be wonky, so you need to get it back laid. So just brush it a little bit just to get it nice again. And lastly, add a small amount of oil all over your hair. And here you have it, a fast, simple, and cute hairstyle to kickstart your pixie journey. I really hope this tutorial helped you out. I try to make this tutorial as simple and smooth as possible. And stay tuned for future styling tutorials and lots more. I have so much content coming, y'all, and I'm so excited to release it. Trust me, y'all are gonna love it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more pixie styles, tips, and tricks. And I will see you guys in the next one. Toodles!